Hey guys, hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you all can see the thumbnail, आज हम डिस्कस करने वाले how to clear Unacademy demo. Recently मेरा Unacademy demo clear हो चुका है. In the third attempt, the first two attempts it got rejected, but in the third attempt my demo got cleared. So I'm gonna give you 3 to 4 simple tips through which I'm sure you can clear the demo with one shot. So let's begin. First one is download the Educator app from the Google Play Store or from the iOS. Okay, get the Unacademy Educator app, log in and sign up yourself. Second step is you have to select a topic of your choice. The demo will be of 3 minutes. You have to speak for 3 minutes. So whichever subject like Hindi, English, chemistry, physics, anything you want to speak about, you have to select a topic of your choice and you have to speak for 3 minutes. Next is make notes. Yes, you have to make notes. Okay, you cannot just go and speak blindly. You need to make notes. Now those notes can be of handwritten type or they can be PDF file or PPT. First one, coming to handwritten notes. Please bear these points in mind. Okay, whenever you are making handwritten notes, they should be scanned by Cam Scanner. If you are applying for Unacademy with handwritten notes, you should have Cam Scanner app in your mobile phone. So you need to take a white sheet of paper. I'll show you. So as you all can see, this is the notes which I made. Okay, I made some reactions for chemistry and I uploaded them and I got selected in my third attempt. So like this, you should have colorful notes. You have to click photo. The ratio should be 1:1 or 16:9 ratio. Never click your photo in the portrait form. Click it in the horizontal form. To click it like this in the horizontal form or the landscape form, and then scan the PDF or scan the handwritten notes, and you should have at least 3 to 4 pages. 3 to 4 pages. I only have 2 right now. Okay, like this and like this. So you should have 3 to 4 pages. Then speak with referring those notes, explaining properly. If you're going for PDF file or PPT, you need to have 3 to 4 slides. Okay, PPT, PowerPoint presentation. You can do PPT also by using 3 to 4 slides and again upload it and then speak on the topic which you have chosen. The last point, speak confidently. Yes, when the first time I gave my Unacademy demo, they said that your handwriting is not legible, which I completely agree because I write very small. That's what the first time I did not get selected. Second time when I gave, my voice was not proper. So I got the feedback, modulate your voice tone and speak more energetic, enthusiastically and confidently. So whenever you need to speak confidently because you are explaining your learners, your young viewers. Okay, so speak confidently. What I did was I used motivational quotes. Before I began my demo, I used motivational quotes. I used some jokes or memes to make the demo more interesting, more engaging. Okay, so you have to be basically attractive. And when you're making notes, especially handwritten notes, you should not just write with black or blue pen. You can either use a ballpoint, black pen or blue pen, but you can see this, right? It should be very colorful. Okay, I've used here purple, green, orange, red, brown. The colorful notes should be there because the more colorful it is, the more attractive it looks. Speak confidently to start, okay, because you are teaching someone who is younger to you or equal to your age. तो तुम्हें उनको engage करना पड़ेगा. Okay, now coming to the question that who all can teach an academy, anyone can teach. Okay, starting from class 12 passed out. I'm a class 12 passed out student. I've applied for an academy and my demo has been selected. That's why I'm guiding you all. Okay, PAN card is a must. I've applied for my PAN card. Okay, so PAN card is a must. They will ask all your documents like your 12th mark sheet and all. Okay, nothing difficult to be selected. So following these 3 to 4 tips, I'm sure you can definitely clear Unacademy in the first go, though I did in the third go. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you soon with yet another interesting video. Stay home, stay safe. Bye bye.